What's up, guys? It's Tight Guy here, and today we got another freaking taste test. C-Force Artesian Water. Chuck Norris, bro. This is made in America. Guys,
hold up.
I'm ready for this. Oh, shit.
There you go.
Guys, this is made in America.
With recycled plastic.
A. Resourceful. You know, Chuck Norris.
What was that alkaline level, bro? Hold up.
Naturally in the range of 7.6 to 8.4. Guys, Chuck Norris, he knows what he's fucking doing, bro.
Hold up, bro. What's it say on the side on there, man?
Dude, this shit is a force of nature.
Pure, powerful, perfect. There's no other way to describe water that erupts from the ground with such clarity and smoothness, filtered through volcanic rock and dating back 23,000 years to the last ice age. C-Force natural artesian water comes directly from a living, sustainable aquifer deep underneath Chuck Norris Lone Wolf Ranch to give you the best premium water on the planet. We preserve the water, minerals, and naturally high pH. C-Force isn't just water. It's Chuck Norris's water. It's a roundhouse kick of hydration.
Guys, I'm fucking ready. Are you? Let's do it. Premium. Dude, I could feel the oxygen in my bloodstream.
How is it, man?
Dude.
How does it make you feel?
Alright, guys, so I'll see you guys next time on the next review. This fucking artesian water has got me ready to fucking fight a mutant alligator, bro. 15 rounds. Oh shit! Did you drink some artesian water too? Fuck! He's got some C-Force in his veins. No! No!